Welcome to Theme Park HD, where we bring the latest and greatest from the theme parks, special events, experiences, and even some sports. Today, Theme Park HD is taking you on a front row point of view of Bello Bay Golf Cart Derby at Universal Kids Resort. What was supposed to be a relaxing round of golf has been completely taken over by the purple minions. Now, if you like the alien swirling saucers at Toy Story Land down at Walt Disney World Hollywood Studios, you may like this, minus the tail whip that we get. Now, question for the group. Why didn't they add a cover for shade from the sun? Anyways, jump in with us and let's ride.
Whoa!